In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Collaborator in FlexClip. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to your project, choose the right level of access, and share your work confidently. Start by heading to the FlexClip website and signing in to your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, open your projects by selecting the Project section. Find the video you want to collaborate on and open it. If you manage a lot of content, a quick tip is to give your projects clear names so it's easy to pick the right one. With the project open in the editor, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the Share option. Click it to bring up your sharing and collaboration controls. If you don't see it, double check that you're inside the editor view rather than the general dashboard. In the sharing panel, choose the option labeled Invite Members or a similarly named button depending on your interface. You'll be prompted to add the collaborator's email address. Type it carefully. Typos are a common reason invitations don't arrive. Adding a short message can help your collaborator recognize the invite and understand what you need from them, though the essential part is the email field itself. Next, set the appropriate permission level. If you want someone to review the project without making changes, select View Only. This is great for approvals, feedback, or stakeholders who just need visibility. If you need hands-on help and your plan supports it, choose Edit Project. That gives them the ability to modify clips, text, timing, and other elements. Pick the level that matches their role. You can always adjust it later if your needs change. When everything looks right, click Send. Your collaborator will receive an email invite with a link to the project. They can follow that link to access the project in FlexClip. If they're new to the platform, they may be prompted to sign in or create an account before proceeding. If you prefer not to invite by email, there's an alternative: share a link. In the same sharing area, copy a shareable link and send it manually through chat or email. Keep in mind the link follows the permissions you set, so treat it carefully and share it only with people you trust. That's it. Sign in, open your project, share, invite, set permissions, and send. You're ready to collaborate smoothly in FlexClip.